A little birdie told me that you want to know how to get verified on Twitter. The way you apply changed a few weeks ago, and then almost immediately, Twitter had to put it on hold, and then they continued onward with the new process. So in this video, I'm clearing it all up and walking you through the new Twitter verification process. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Before we get into it, go ahead and like this video for me and subscribe to the channel if you want to grow your business. All right, so as of May 2021, Twitter started rolling out verification applications to everyone. And if you clicked on this video, I'm guessing you already know what the verification badge is, but just in case, let's define it really quickly. The blue verified badge on Twitter lets people know that an account of public interest is authentic. To receive the blue badge, your account must be authentic, notable, and active. To encourage and maintain trust between users on the platform, you will need to confirm your identity with Twitter in order to be verified. You will usually see these badges on verified celebrity accounts, for example, so that we know it's the real Kevin Hart tweeting and not somebody pretending to be Kevin Hart tweeting. But businesses can have verified badges too, and this helps customers know which account is really you or your business. All right, so how do you get verified on Twitter? The new process includes filling out an application directly from your profile. You can do it from your phone on the mobile app or from desktop. So first, click the More ... button, click Settings and Privacy, click your account, and then Account Information. Then under Verified, click Request Verification. Then hit Start Request and follow the prompts. You'll choose from the list of options they have to describe what type of account you have. Then you'll have to choose between two ways to show that your account qualifies: public presence and news coverage. For public presence, you have to provide a link to evidence of the substantial presence in public indices like Google Trends, public stock exchanges, etc. For news coverage, you'll have to provide 3 links from reputable news organizations that have covered or referenced you or your Twitter account within the last 6 months. I submitted our feature on CNBC's The Profit, for example. I'll link it in the description if you haven't seen it yet. After that, you select how you want them to verify it's you, be it via a government-issued ID, an email address that shares the same domain as your website URL, which you will also fill out, or the link to an official website that references you and your Twitter account. Once you submit everything, they show you a confirmation screen like this to let you know they've received your request. After that, it is in Twitter's hands to make a decision on whether or not to verify you. They've said that it can take a few weeks to get back to you, but that they may pause accepting any new applications until they have gotten through their backlog, which is exactly what happened in May after they opened up Twitter applications. They received such a high volume of applications that they had to halt applications just days after opening them up. But as of now, they're openly receiving applications again. So what happens if they get back to you and tell you no? If they don't verify you, you can apply once every 30 days. And something else you should know is that they've stated that they do not comment on individual verification decisions, meaning that they can turn down your application and they do not have to explain why. Now, after all that, you may be feeling a little helpless, like, what if they keep rejecting my application month after month? What more can I do? Well, one tip that I am trying out currently at the time that I'm filming this is to fill out an impersonation form. If you can show Twitter that people are pretending to be you or your company, that's more reason for them to give you the verification badge to try and prevent this from happening. You can go to this link that I'll put on the screen to report somebody impersonating you or falsely representing your business. Now, I would only fill this out if people are actually impersonating you. Don't lie and fill it out just to fill it out, because I'm not sure what the repercussions of that could be. It could do you more harm than good. And on the final submission page, it literally asks you to declare under penalty of perjury that all of the information provided is accurate. But for us, unfortunately, LYFE Marketing gets impersonated all the time. I can't tell you how many times people have been in our DMs sending us a name or email address of someone that has been contacting them, pretending to be us, to scam them, and we have to message them back and let them know that that person is not affiliated with us in any way. It's the whole deal. So for us, it made sense to fill out the impersonation form, which I did today. Now, at the time that I'm making this video, we have not yet heard back from Twitter on their decision. So let me know in the comments if you want me to keep you posted on how this hack plays out. Now, before you run off to go fill out your application form, first I want you to take a look at this list of ineligible accounts. These types of Twitter accounts cannot receive a blue badge, period. Parody and fan accounts, pets and fictional characters, unless directly affiliated with a verified business, accounts engaged in severe violations of Twitter's policies, accounts of individuals or groups associated with coordinated harmful activity or hateful content. Additionally, there are requirements you have to meet in order to even be considered. Your account must be active with a record of adherence to the Twitter rules. This means, number 1, complete. You must have a profile name and a profile image. Number 2, active use. You must have logged into the account in the last 6 months. Number 3, security. The account must have a confirmed email address or phone number. And number 4, Twitter rules. The account must not have had a 12-hour or 7-day lockout for violating the Twitter rules in the past 12 months, excluding successful appeals. Okay, now let's fast forward and say that you do get the blue verification badge from Twitter. That's awesome, but make sure you don't do anything to lose it. Twitter has the right to remove your verified badge if you change your username, like your @handle, if your account becomes inactive or incomplete, if the owner of the account is no longer for which position they were initially verified and do not otherwise meet Twitter's criteria for verification since leaving such position, or if you begin severely violating Twitter's policies. So make sure your username is what you want it to be permanently before you start applying. But all right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more digital marketing videos every single week. And I'll see you in the next video.